Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. All the time I have been talking and my microphone was mute. I'm so sorry, guys. But okay, I'll get back. So this is the 16th of November 2023. Earlier, I was not able to change the dates and the day. That's why it got delayed today. I welcome you all once again to this Thursday. It's a beautiful Thursday. My name is Rakesh. I'm not a Dukas Copies community. I'm not a Dukas Copies employee. I'm just a community member, and therefore, whatever I'm going to tell you here in this webinar, it has nothing to do with the bank. These are my own opinions and the trading ideas. But before I start the session, I must tell you that whatever I say in this webinar, it has some energy or some knowledge in it. So it should be seen only as an educational video or the video to enrich to enhance your knowledge, and it should not be seen as a trading advice because I'm not a trading advisor. Okay, so before I start, let me take you through this risk disclaimer. Please read this risk disclaimer, go through it and understand it, and then only go to the charts. And before I start this session, I must tell you that there is something wrong with my charts. So here right now on your screen is the charts, but the problem with these charts is that okay, you see here, you see when we go to file workspace, we open some recent workspaces. My problem is that my workspace is lost. My workspace, which I was using till yesterday, is lost. It is not here. So this has a problem now because we don't have charts, and if you don't have charts, there is okay. So what is the 16th of November 17.7? So this may work. This may work. 16 November, that is yesterday's backup. I just hope that it opens. No, it's just this. So this is previous year. So you see that these things are not working for me, and workspace are not available. So what we have to do now, we will have to, I think, go back and create all the charts from the scratch. So it will take time, but I think we will have the charts, good charts on our screens. Okay, so there's nothing here, guys, so we will have to go through the scratch. So I open the first chart, that is the US dollar index as such, and we'll go from the scratch. I'm so sorry for this because I have really lost my workspaces. I don't know how to retrieve them. Open recent. Maybe this is my last try. If this is the one, then fine. If not this, then I'm sorry. Then I will have to do it again. This is gold. No, this is not the one. So we'll go by J Forex. Okay. So let it be like this, and then we close everything, and then we open everything. Okay. All right, all right, all right. We do it down. We open the chart. First, we open the US dollar index, and then we switch index. Okay, dollar index. Here it is. We go to the daily bit chart, candle, and that's it. So we first go to monthly. It is very easy, guys, and it will actually help you in understanding how I do my analysis. So this is my extreme. I just want my charts to look like this, okay, or this, or this, or this. I think this is good. Foreground color should be red. That's it. Yes. So this is my upper level, which is extreme level on the monthly, but the recent level on the monthly will be this month and the previous month's low. Okay, so these the previous month's low is broken. So here these are my levels, and when I go to weekly, I will see there are something. This is an important low here. You can see there's an important low here. The price is being this is the important high here. So if the price has started moving lower on the dollar index, you see that this level here, which is the last weekly low, will act as a resistance now, and the last weekly high also should act as a resistance. When you switch to one day, you will come to know that these are the levels that I am talking about. So this is the first level of resistance. For instance, if the price starts going from here, it should act as a resistance, and if it doesn't, then if the price continues further, then this is the last level that I will be looking, 105.86. above this I will not be selling this market. Okay, so then we become buyers. So right now, if you just look at the price, nothing else on your charts, so the first level is 104.66 on the upside. This is resistance. Second resistance is 105.86. On the downside, we have next support here around 102.84. So what we are expecting here, we are expecting something like this. We are expecting something like this. All right, guys. So you know now the levels 104.66, 102.84. That's it. The next is euro dollar. Let's go euro USD. We will only look at the major currency pairs today, and then we will add if you have any particular pair tomorrow. Okay. The bias on the dollar index, it is bearish, okay, in the long term, but for short term the price is trying to go higher. All right, monthly. First extreme, second extreme, and on the monthly also okay, on the weekly the price is going and making higher highs and higher lows, but it can go only up to this extent of 1.1275. Any important level on the weekly would be this high, because when the price went lower here, then it made a high here and then went back. So I'm marking this level also. This is an important crucial level. When I switch to daily, I come to know that this is a very, very important level, looking at this high being made and then price being pushed down to this level. So from the daily point of view, this will be my level of interest, which is 1.0656. If the price goes below this level, I will become seller again, but till the time the price is holding this 1.0656, I will be a buyer, and above this 1.0945 we will be a buyer in even in the weekly chart, because in the daily we are already buyers, but in the weekly, if you see that this is the high that the price made and after that it made this low, beyond this we will become buyers in the weekly. So weekly candles are looking good. The price is going good. Anytime soon you will find that more buyers pushing the prices back towards 1.0945, above which we will be very comfortable in buying this market. All right, guys. So level of interest for you will be one resistance is 1.0945, and the support is seen at around 1.0656. Although if the price continues south, it may also find some support at this broken high, and this is also lining up with these highs and approximately these highs and lows also. So 1.0756 may also give some support to the prices. I just hope that my voice is through, because earlier it was not. Guys, can you hear me? Let me know. There's nothing in the chat. The chat box is so silent. Why? Okay, I have checked it on my this thing, that my voice is through. Guys, you don't like me? Why no shouting? Nobody's here. Okay, I'm alone. All right, I'm alone. So euro dollar, this is the thing, and now we check the pound. We also call it cable with love. GBP USD is also called cable. So let's check on the monthly. Guys, I'm not going beyond daily, like I'm not going 4 hourly or something, because we don't want to check what is happening on the 4 hour. So you don't have to even talk about what is going on here. I think this is sufficient. We go to the daily now. We have our levels. So on the downside, you can see the price is making higher highs and higher lows, and before making these two highs, this was the highest low. So I mark this also. This is an important level for me. and this is the high on the weekly. So 1.2746 is the resistance. Also, you notice that this is a small high that the price made before making these lows. So this may be some resistance here because it is in line with the previous highs. So yes, these are your levels, guys. 1.2547 may offer some resistance, not much, but some resistance. After that, the next resistance will be 1.2746. On the downside, we have support around 1.2186. That's all, guys. That's all you have to do. You don't have to think much. Then you have Australian dollar or the USD, right? We'll go and do a top down analysis. That is, we'll go back from the monthly. Similar manner, I think we should take this one and this one. Then we go to weekly. On the weekly, you see that the price is making lower highs and lower lows. This one is in line with these lows, and the recent highs are these. Okay, and then you go to daily. On the daily, you see that the price was making lower highs and lower lows, and then it finally made this high, then low, and this high. So between these two highs, what is the low? This is the low. So this low becomes important for you. And what was the previous high that the price has seen? So this is that high. All right. This high is around 0.6616. So if the price comes to this level, I will be looking for selling this market. My intention will be to sell this market, but I will buy if the price starts closing above 0.6616. This is on the weekly, and now on the daily the price is already in a mood of buyers. In the favor of buyers. So expect some buying again if the price drops here. And the next target that you can expect is 0.6616. Then is New Zealand dollar. Why I have not seen New Zealand dollar in so many days? Why? All right, guys, this is New Zealand dollar. And this is the monthly. These are the monthly levels. You switch to weekly, you will have more levels, and then you switch to daily, you will have even more. All right, this was the low, this was another low, this was another low, this was another low, and this was another. So this level on the weekly was very interesting level, that is 0.6060 level, and I will just keep it to here, 0.6055. Now you see that the price was making lower highs and lower lows on the weekly, but here the low high was okay. I will you see here the high of this candle was 0.60551 and the high of this candle was 0.60541. So this has not made a higher high than this one, so there is still chance that we will see a lower low in this market. The price is still making lower highs and lower lows. So this is a lower high. When you switch to daily, you will also notice here again the price failed to go higher than this one. But this does not mean that the sellers are in control of the market. Okay, the sellers will take control of the market only below this level now. So the market on the daily is in an uptrend, and 0.5861 is the support and 0.6055 area is the resistance. This you have to understand. After New Zealand, you have the USD JPY. Yes, USD JPY. Okay, let's have a look at that. I don't know if you agree or disagree, but this is the way we do the analysis, and it is very easy to understand. So here I don't have the previous levels. Okay, this is my level, and this is one of the crucial levels on the monthly. On the weekly, I low. So this becomes a crucial low. 148.80 becomes a crucial low for us. We go to the daily again. and we see that on the daily the price was making higher highs and higher lows. Here also the price made higher high, but then this becomes your important low. 149.18 is the level, guys, that you should be looking for. If the price starts trading below that on the daily, you should become seller, but if the price is trading between these two levels, you should not even look for selling opportunity. Just stay away from this market, guys. This is not worth trading. Then you look for USD against the franc, Swiss franc. Again, go to the monthly. Guys, forex is so simple to trade, so simple. You just mark the recent monthly levels. This is the monthly high, I mean last month, then this is a few days back, few months back. You don't have to see much earlier prices. You have to know what is happening recently. So you see on the weekly the price was going lower highs and lower lows, and recently the price started making higher highs, and of course you will be expecting higher lows. But do you see something on the weekly? Again it started making lower highs and lower lows. So why don't you switch it to the daily? So on the daily you will see that the price was making higher highs and higher lows. Here it made a higher high, then eventually it broke and started this level started acting as resistance, pushed back, then again it made a high, but again started selling off. So as of now the price on the daily is making lower highs and lower lows. So what you can do is you can create a channel if you really want to buy this market. Okay, you can create this channel like this. You can create a channel like this, and as okay, I will not only all right. So when you see that something like this is happening and you really want to buy this market, maybe you wait for the price to break out from this channel, so that or when the price breaks out of this channel, you will know that the counter trend is over and the price is again turned back to the similar direction, that is uptrend. Okay, this is one way. Right now on the daily, since the price is making lower highs and lower lows, this becomes your important level. If the price goes beyond 0.9112, we become buyers again in this market. Till the time the price is trading below this level, you should not be actually buying this market. So so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 major currency pairs. One is the US dollar index. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have all majors covered, guys. If you have any other pair that you want me to specifically see, let me know. GBP AUD is what we were having an eye on. We were looking for this pair to, oh, why? Yeah, we are looking for GBP. What? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is USD CHF US. We have missed something. What is that we have missed? Any majors that we have missed? Euro, pound, Aussie, Kiwi, yen, franc. Uh, what have I missed? What have I missed? Which is the seventh pair, guys? Please help me understand. Which is the seventh pair that I have missed? Okay, I have missed Loonie. Yes, I understand now. I have missed the Loonie, USD CAD. Yes, I have missed the Loonie. All right, here it is. So we go to the monthly. Let's see what is happening on the monthly. The monthly is trying to go higher here. Mm, okay, after that, there is a consolidation. Okay, so this is exactly what is happening. Okay, you can create a line from this also, but I'm not interested in that line because 1.3568 is the support area for me on the daily, and till the time the price is trading below this line, I'll not be buying this market again, and I'll not be even selling this market because the market has made a higher high. After that, it has not made a lower low than this one. So this is a consolidation phase. When the price breaks higher from here, I'll be a buyer, and if the price breaks below 1.3568, I'll be a seller. That's all guys from my side, but I actually want to have a look at GBP. I want to see how this is performing because I'm going to sell this market for big pips very soon. Right now it is not giving us any selling opportunity, but I am looking for that. We may get a selling opportunity in GBP AUD very soon. Okay, any closing below 1.8850 will push us down further. Right now the price is on the daily, it is looking for, I think, higher highs and higher lows, but any break to the downside, this is also a head and shoulder. Wow, this is also a head and shoulder, guys. Yes, a breakdown from here will give us something like this. So please keep an eye on this one. Okay, here something like this is going to happen very soon. Sooner or later, this is what exactly is going to happen. So let's have a look at what is gold is doing. Okay, gold has again started moving higher. We check on monthly what is happening. On the weekly, the price was making lower highs and lower lows. Then it started making higher high and then higher low. Okay, so this becomes our crucial level. Thereafter, this is the highest high that the price has made last week, last week. So these becomes our levels of importance now. So since the price has after making, I think from the daily, the price was making higher highs and higher lows, and I'm cloning it to keep it here because in the process of going up, the price made this high, then it made this low, and then it made this high. Then this was broken, so I'm expecting a lower high to be formed, and then we can see a lower low towards 1908. So I think we can create a channel very easily, and then we can expect that channel to be followed. That means I'm just expecting some resistance here in this crucial range. Okay, so let's see how the things unfold. I'm expecting a resistance here, then we can switch back to 1908 area where we can find some support. That's all guys from my side. I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. My request to you will be that you please keep your 1% risk only on any single trade and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times that you're risking. With this, I will end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can subscribe to our channel for more such webinars. I am here every day at 1700 GMT actually, not 1630. Let me know if you want to change time to 1630 because earlier we were doing it 1630. We had sufficient viewers. Now we don't have sufficient viewers because we have shifted the timings. If you are not comfortable with this time, please let me know in the comment section, guys. I'll change the timings for you. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.